Today, you will learn how to highlight text in PDF using Google Chrome on your laptop. 100% free. First, and the easiest method, is go to the folder where your PDF file is saved. Now, right-click on the PDF file. Click Open With. Then choose Google Chrome. Your PDF file will open in Chrome. Now, look at the top of the screen. Click the Draw icon. A small panel will open on the right side. Here, you can adjust the pen size and also choose your highlight color. To highlight text using a mouse, click and hold the mouse left button, then drag over the text you want to highlight. The text will be highlighted. If you want to remove a highlight, click the Eraser tool. Now, click on the highlighted area, and it will be erased. When you are done, press Ctrl+S and save with a new name or replace the previous file. That's the first and easiest method. Now, let's see a more professional method. Open Google. In the search box, type Annotate PDF and press Enter. From the search results, open the Smallpdf.com website. When the website opens, click Choose File. Upload your PDF document. After the file opens, go to the top menu and click Highlight. Now select the first highlight option. Choose your highlight color and adjust the opacity if needed. Now select the text you want to highlight. You can change the color again or adjust opacity anytime. Once you are done, click the Download button. Your new highlighted PDF file will be downloaded. As you can see, the text is now highlighted properly. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy PDF tutorials.